Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel Dear Wallet, and this is Madhushmita. So this video is all about get to know me video. Few days back I posted an Instagram story that I'm going to make a chit chat video with you guys where I would be doing my makeup and I'll be answering your questions. I received 40 to 50 questions, good questions, and yeah, it was really so sweet and so kind of you for your amazing questions, guys. So I tried to answer all the questions that you guys have asked me. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get on the video. And if you love this look, give this video a thumbs up right now, like right now. So without any further ado, let's just get to the video. Get started with your questions and my makeup. Okay, so I'll just quickly go to my first question. So कुछ ऑर्डर वाइज नहीं है, मुझे जो भी क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है मैं उसका आंसर दे रही हूँ. So the first question is how do you manage your studies by doing all these videos? This is actually the most common question. So basically I have a routine for all my videos. I don't post much for YouTube because YouTube के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगता है एडिटिंग के लिए. But in normal days what I do is Saturday Sunday weekend होता है, तो वीकेंड में मैं एक दिन में 5 वीडियोस बना लेती हूँ. बिलीव मी, येस आई डू दैट. मैं बना देती हूँ ऐसे वीडियो, 4-5 वीडियो तो यूँ ही बन जाता है, हो जाता है, प्रैक्टिस हो जाता है. लाइक 1 आवर ब्रेक लेके आई डू ऑल द वीडियोस. ब्रेक लेके करती हूँ बट आई हो जाता है. आई मैनेज ऑल दीज एंड yeah, and weekdays को you will not watch me making any videos. Like weekdays में I do all my studies and सुबह 6 बजे उठ के कॉलेज जाना पड़ता है. Then I come back home at 3 o'clock and then I see my bed and I sleep. And मैं फिर 5-6 बजे उठती हूँ and assignment and all होता है, so I have to do those. Yeah, so that is my weekdays and बस. कि मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ओपन पोर्स का क्या किया जाए जो मेकअप के बाद भी विजिबल होते हैं? देन डियर, इट माइट हैपन बिकॉज प्रॉपर बेस आप नहीं लेते होंगे, क्योंकि अगर प्रॉपर बेस लिए होगे तो डेफिनेटली आपके पोर्स छुप जाना चाहिए. सो इट मे बी इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ योर पोर चॉइस ऑफ बेस. सो मेक योर बेस राइट. लाइक कभी कभी ऐसा होता है हम ऑयल बेस मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाते हैं एंड उसके ऊपर हम मैट फाउंडेशन लगाते हैं. सो दैट इज़ वो मतलब यू नो दैट कॉम्बिनेशन इज़ नॉट गुड एक्चुअली. शुड सी बेटर दैट आप जो कॉम्बिनेशन लगा रहे हो, लाइक कॉम्पैक्ट हो, फाउंडेशन हो, मॉइस्चराइज़र हो, आप कौन से बेस का लगा रहे हो. लाइक एवरीथिंग शुड मैच ईच अदर. अगर मैट लगा रहे हो तो खाली मैट फाउंडेशन लगाओ. ऑयल बेस हो तो ऑयल बेस फाउंडेशन या फिर हाइड्रेटिंग फाउंडेशन होना चाहिए. सो मेक श्योर यू check that properly. And yeah, so if you apply compact powder and फिर भी आपके pores दिख रहे हैं, then switch to loose powder. And loose powder, if I'll suggest you, then go for Maybelline Fit Me का loose powder. It's totally amazing. Pores तो दिखेंगे ही नहीं, so just go for that. Okay, so the next question is what's the natural way to keep the skin glowing? Drink lot of water, that's it. And खाने के लिए मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी क्योंकि इट डिपेंड कि आप क्या खाते हो क्या नहीं. सो जैसे ही आप सारा विटामिन खाते हो, एंड विटामिन सी ज़्यादा खाना चाहिए एंड ई ऑल्सो. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू ईट लॉट ऑफ विटामिन सी एंड ई फूड्स एंड या जस्ट ड्रिंक लॉट ऑफ वाटर. ग्लो तो विदिन आ जाएगा. इफ़ नॉट ब्यूटी, देन वॉट जेनर वुड यू पिक्ड if you wanted to be a blogger? Well, not beauty, then I don't think that I'll go for anything else because I don't know what should I do in Instagram or YouTube. Like I used to do musically videos, so maybe I would have kept making TikTok videos, musically videos and all those and keep posting in my Instagram. I don't think that except beauty I would have done anything. Fashion तो दूर की बात है. I don't know F of fashion, so I don't think so I would do it. So the next question, how did you discover the whole beauty influencer thing? Well, when I was in my 10th, I used to binge watch a lot of YouTube. So yeah, so YouTube is my inspiration and धीरे धीरे I got to know about influencer thing and beauty community के बारे में बहुत देखा. Then I read articles and yeah, so basically there and there started and I'm still learning. It's not that I'm totally, you know, पूरा expert in this beauty community. I'm still exploring that how to, you know, communicate with other beauty bloggers and all stuff. So yeah, interaction, communication, there are a lot of things that I'm still learning. Okay, so the next question, do you make some money or you buy all your makeup stuffs from your pocket money? Well, I earn a lot. So अगर बात किया जाए pocket money का, don't even ask me. I get only 2000 bucks for my pocket money, not every day, for a month. And क्यों मिलता है? खाने के लिए. So basically my parents provide me the basic need and that's the reason why they give me pocket money, because both of my parents are working, if you guys don't know. So मम्मी लंच करके नहीं जा पाती है, I mean लंच कर नहीं पाती है, so I have to take money from her for you know, my lunch. So basically yeah, I get only 2000 bucks for my pocket money for my lunch, basically for food. And बाकी सब what you watch in my videos, the clothes से लेके सब कुछ, they are my money, hard work money. I'll also do a video how I earn and all if you want to know. Okay, the next question, how do reduce pigmentation around mouth? That is the major issues. Well, I have lot of DIY videos in my Instagram, so you should probably check them. And yeah, just apply haldi, natural DIY, go for DIY. I'll suggest you go for DIY stuff because they are really helpful, guys. They have helped me a lot, so I think that might help you too. Next question, which kind of makeup you usually love to do? Very neutral. I go for very basic makeup, like nude lips and natural makeup, like just the concealer to, you know, hide my dark circles and also dark spots. This is what I'm doing right now. This is the makeup I'm doing right now, which I usually do, because right now I have to go to shopping, so this is actually the video you should see because I'm actually doing this makeup. So the next question, you are really doing amazing and different eye looks. What keeps you so much motivated? Honestly guys, this is you are the ones who keep supporting me by, you know, appreciating me, giving me so much love, sharing my work in your stories. So this is the reason why I am always motivated. I love how you people like my looks, you know, and then people keep DMing and asking me suggestion. I was like, oh my god, I'm expert. So yeah, so that's what keep in, you know, motivating me. Hey Madhu, keep growing and growing girl, always shine bright. Thank you. Okay, what inspired you to start doing makeup or make makeup videos? It's very simple. YouTube. I watch James Charles. Okay, it's just example. I watch James Charles video and I just like that look. You know, let me just try it. So yeah, that's what happens every time. Question: how to deal with negativity? You know what? You should always be positive first of all. मतलब लोग अगर कुछ बोलते हैं ना, so think in a positive way, या मे बी उनका थिंकिंग होगा, मे बी वो सब, यू नो, थिंक अबाउट दैट. सो व्हाट आई डू, लाइक मेरे कॉलेज में तो नेगेटिविटी बहुत सारे हैं. ओके, सो एंड इवन इन इंटरनेट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ नेगेटिविटी, बट आई कीप डूइंग वॉट आई लव टू. लाइक मेरे मेकअप वीडियोज़ में बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आते हैं. कोई बोलता है चुड़ैल की तरह लग रही हो, कोई बोलता है कि यू आर सो ब्लैक, वगैरह वगैरह, ऐसा होता है. बट द नंबर ऑफ लव आई गेट इज़ मोर देन द नंबर ऑफ हेट आई गेट. सो देयर आर 10% people who hates you and there are 90% of people who loves you. So you know, so just ignore the negativity, बस that's it, that's what I'm going to see, because that's what I do. So I'm it's just a suggestion, that's what I do. So yeah, just do what you love, you know, kuch bhi ho, just do what you love. Okay, next question. Your everyday skin routine. Because skin routine, my skincare. Okay, it's in my YouTube channel. You can just go and check. That is my morning skincare routine, and night time I'll update soon in my IGTV. So just follow me on Instagram and just keep waiting for my IGTV. I'll post the night skincare routine soon. 5 Netflix TV series. You're asking my favorite. Okay, the same person is asking me, tell us your top street food, makeup things, YouTubers, and shopping sites. Well, I'll talk about my Netflix series. Netflix TV series, I would say You, and Pretty Little Liars, Gossip Girl, Sacred Games, Black Mirror. And there are a lot of things, but yeah, but these are the series that I love them, like binge watch anytime I want, especially Black Mirror. If you have seen my June favorites, then you'd know how much I love Black Mirror. Question, tell us your street food. Street food, chaat, gupchup, then bada pav, pav bhaji, a lot of stuff. Roll. Then I think, yeah, that would be all. Makeup things. Top 5 makeup things, I would say mascara and concealer, lipstick obviously, highlighter, eyebrow. That would be all. Then my top 5 YouTubers. First have to be Jovita. Oh god, she's queen. Then Stacy, would go for Ace Family. I love them. And James Charles, and all those people who post about dog videos. Yeah, I would say they are my favorite YouTubers. Then my top 5 shopping sites. First would be Lifestyle, then H&M, Shein, and अगर मेकअप का बात किया जाए तो पर्पल, hopemakeup.com, एंड नायका ऑफ कोर्स. सो या बेसिकली मैं ज़्यादातर कपड़े ना ऑफलाइन खरीदती हूँ, बिकॉज आई डोंट ट्रस्ट दिस ऑनलाइन पीपल. बट या मैं लाइफस्टाइल एंड H&M जब भी उनके स्टोर्स जाती हूँ, एंड आई लाइक दैट स्टफ एंड आई नो दैट व्हाट इज़ माई साइज़, एंड आई ट्राई दैट इन लाइफस्टाइल, एंड बट वो नेक्स्ट डे वो स्टॉक नहीं रहता है, बट ऑनलाइन में वो रहता है. सो आई जस्ट go for it. So yeah. Okay, next question. Illuminator is used for to glow your skin, obviously, like to give a within glow. Like you are using highlighter and illuminator का काम सेम होता है, बस illuminator जो होता है वो मेकअप के पहले लगाया जाता है, so that लगे कि आपका स्किन अंदर से ग्लो कर रहा है. So when did you realize you are good at things you're doing now? I didn't realize, guys. You made me realize that I do things perfect, like seriously. Like whenever I used to upload videos, you guys are the one who tells me, oh my god, you look so good, teach me how to do it. So yeah, so you are the audience, and you guys are the one who made me realize, yeah, I'm good at this thing, and you guys appreciate it, and I know that what I'm doing, I'm only doing for you guys. So give this video a like right now. I'm doing everything for you people. Next question. मैम आप लॉ +2 के बाद या ग्रेजुएशन के बाद किया, एंड लॉ का कौन सा ईयर है आपका? आफ्टर 12th आई डिड माई +2 के बाद ही आई डिड माई BBA LLB course. This is a 5 years course, and right now I'm in my 3rd year. Yes. Suggest some good face pack. Well, it totally depends on the skin type you are, like and what is your concern. मैं ऐसे बोल नहीं पाऊँगी कि आपको कौन सा सूट करेगा. So it totally depends on your skin type and for what you want or the face pack. So yeah, you can also check my yeah, Instagram feed. I have posted a lot of DIY videos, so go for it. And if you want to try some good face pack, then Good Vibes would be a perfect choice for you. Good Vibe is available in purple.com and the prices are really reasonable. I apply their green tea face pack and it's totally amazing. And yeah, I would suggest each and every one of you to go for Good Vibes. They have really good affordable skincare, not only face pack but they have a lot of good skincare product. Okay, next question. What is more important for you, viewers or brand? Viewers for sure, क्योंकि जब viewers बढ़ेंगे, engagement बढ़ेगा, तभी तो जाके brands आपको approach करेंगे, right? Why did you start the YouTube channel? No reason. मैं इतना YouTube देख के सीखी and तब IGTV नहीं था where I can post more than 1 minute का वीडियो. तो इसीलिए आई स्टार्टेड माई यूट्यूब एंड देन आई सॉ कि यूट्यूब में ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है. सो या जस्ट वेंट फॉर इट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ डिड यू मैनेज द डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ योर लाइफ? सिंपल सा बात है, सबको लाइक सब अपने अपने जगह होना चाहिए. My makeup, my studies, my relationships and family सब अलग होना चाहिए. Like you should not mix up everything up. सबको टाइम दो, जैसे मैं मेकअप को टाइम देती हूँ वीकेंड्स में. एंड या जस्ट बी द परफेक्ट गर्ल इन योर फैमिली. मतलब जो सबको ही बोल रहा है वैसा करो. एंड या दैट्स व्हाट आई डू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दिस इज़ द फाइनल क्वेश्चन आई गेस. Forehead darkness. Apply sunscreen. I think you are not applying sunscreen enough. Sunscreen is really important. Don't skip that. Darkness and tan are the same thing. So go for DIY because they're really helpful. Like don't go for those expensive mask, exfoliator and all. Go for natural. It's really that would helpful for you. So the last question, Sarojini Nagar Hall कब आएगा? Even I ask myself the same question each and every day. Came from Delhi to Bhubaneswar on 3rd of August and since then till now I'm still thinking when will I shoot the Sarojini Hall, because I got a lot of stuff eventually, not from Sarojini but I got from Janpath, Lajpat, GK1. Like I got a lot of stuff, so it's like so difficult for me to shoot one video, Sarojini Hall video. Like I told you guys my routine, like in weekdays I go to my college, then I come back at 3 o'clock, then I just sleep. That's it. And I'm not getting time to shoot that video because there are a lot of clothes. But I'm trying to shoot the Sarojini Hall as soon as possible and you'll see that on my IGTV. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, then make sure that you do, because I post a lot of makeup and look and lot of haul and other stuff on my IGTV. So make sure that you go and check it. The link would be there in the description box. And yeah, so I'm thinking to shoot this week itself. Like I have to sacrifice my sleep one day and I have to shoot that video for you guys. So yeah, that's all for the video. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for all your questions. Those were really sensible and really kind of you guys. And yeah, सबके आंसर मैं दे नहीं पाई because lot of questions were very absurd. So yeah, चलो bye bye, see you in my next video.